Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to use CodePen for development. Sometimes when you feel lazy, you can write code on the fly and you store it online, and yeah, you can use it for a showcase or for anything you want. So first you have to have an account. So I have to sign up. I have actually an account already, so I have to log in. I think I can log in from GitHub. I think I will be able to. Yes, this is my account, as you can see. So I can also access different projects already. I have project is that the projects. I think that's not where I get. Maybe let's go to your work. Maybe my work will be here. As you can see, the different things I worked with, I mean, at some point I can get them here. Yeah, for instance, let's see this cat, which was built using React. Yeah. Okay, so usually, as you can see, here is the HTML part, the CSS part, and the JavaScript part goes here. And the output will be here. So all your HTML goes here. You can also check what you can do here. HTML preprocessor, most of the time you don't need anything for HTML. But for example, for CSS, for instance, if you use Sass, or any other CSS frameworks, you may add it here. So for instance, if you want to use, for instance, Bootstrap, maybe it is here, or you can bring it somewhere else and you paste it here. But I don't use anything. And for JavaScript, you can add also here. For instance, this is a React project. As you can see, I have added already here React DOM, React, and I think that's what is here, and the preprocessor is Babel. So I will show you how to configure this from the beginning. So just let's forget about this and let's create live, and let's just create a new pane. This is how you create now. This is new, so I call it, for instance, test. Then I just start writing h1. This is going to be test. You can see the output already here, and your CSS will be here, h1. Color, it's going to be green, and font size going to be, for instance, let's make it very big, 48 pixel, and it should be bigger. I was expecting bigger, and maybe I have to change. Okay, maybe I think it's already big, so let's check it by increasing 56. Yeah, now it's getting bigger. Yeah. So if you want to write some JavaScript code, your code goes here. For instance, const, or just console.log. This is the JavaScript part, and JavaScript code goes here. So maybe to see the console, you have to do here, and as you can see, this is the JavaScript part. This is the JavaScript part, so you can see it here, and then you can save it. This is how you use it. Maybe if you want to use React, for instance, I think you should add here React library. So I think it's not there here. So the preprocessor should be Babel, and I have to have CDN for React. So whenever we develop React, we need React and React DOM. So I will put it here, for instance, and the other one here. and save. What's wrong? I think it's okay. Yeah, if it's wrong, we will get back and check it. So now let us see if it's a React. Here we don't need anything. What we need is actually body, only the body part. Let's see, and in the body side let's have a div, and let's target the div id, and let's call it root. And from here let's target that root const root element, and document get element by id, and we call it already root. So here since we are using React, so let's const app, because this is going to be our component, and let's return something, div. So let's return here h1. It should be h1. This is React app h1. Okay, I think I have something wrong here, so I have to fix this. You can remove it like this, by the way, so if you don't like. So we can add resource, just again copy this, and again we can add this. And let's save it. One of the URL in your external resource is invalid format, maybe when I'm copying. Okay, let me see. I think we know. Yeah, so the problem is I should have just copied something like this. I don't need the whole link. Yeah, so let's remove everything all over again. So you don't need this. Just what we should do actually is just drop this. Yeah, drop this, and again we need to have only this. By now I hope it works. Yeah, great. Now there is no complaint. So what's left? So we need React DOM.render, and this take two parameters, that is the app and the root DOM, the root element, then root element y element root element. Yes, this is React app. So this is coming from our React app. If we want to do another more, for instance, const header, let's do another component, and let's create this component like this. We don't need any return. I just want to header, and I just put h1, and this is the header part, h1, and I will render it actually here inside header. So, and I should see the header part somewhere. No, it's not displaying. So let's try to debug it. So consider adding an error boundary to your trace. A header, I think I made a typo when, as you can see, it's not header. So header. Great. By now I should see the result. Yes. So now you know how to use the CodePen for JavaScript or for React. Yeah, whenever you want to Do the lazy way. You can use pen code and your code will be saved online, but I would recommend to use VS Code, and you should store your code online on GitHub, not on CodePen. Great. I will see you in another time. Thank you for watching.